This video will be of the right eye and the external muscles, and here looking at the midline of the superior nasal concha with the nasal cavity there opened up, the pointer pointing to that superior nasal concha at the tip of the yellow arrow. That structure, of course, moistens and warms incoming air. This is the lacrimal sac, a drainage structure from the eye, draining lacrima or tear down into the nasolacrimal duct, right there. This duct collects the lacrim from the eye and moves it medially. And it collects that from the lacrimal ducts, those two right there. And right there is the medial caruncle. That's where the eyelids do not touch. It's a highly vascular sensitive tissue. It is not part of the eyelids. And then the two black dots there are the lacrimal puncta. Those are the holes that collect the lacrim. They're the yellow arrows carrying it to the lacrimal ducts and down into the nasolacrimal sac. The eyelid itself right here. Then this is the clear conjunctiva, the ocular conjunctiva that covers the sclera. The iris itself and the black hole in the center there would be the pupil that allows light into the eye. Next would be the two lacrimal glands there, this one and the one above it, and the little tubes there would be the lacrimal ducts, all moving lacrim to the superior lateral eye onto the surface of it. Next, in a lateral view of the muscles, looking at the skeletal muscles. First of all, though, the frontal sinus here in the frontal bone. The first of the eye muscles to move the eye was the superior oblique muscle right there. Its white tendon is there. And that's the trochlea, a bony prominence that acts as a pulley to allow the tendon to slide through it, the superior oblique muscle tendon to slide through that. This muscle is not an external eye muscle, but it moves the eyelid. That would be the eyelid, and the muscle itself is right there. But that line separates now from the superior muscle, this to the superior rectus muscle. That is an eye muscle that will move the eye. It's causing us to look at or track objects as we follow something. Next is the lateral rectus muscle, the third of these skeletal muscles that move the eye. Then this is the inferior rectus muscle there down at the bottom. The medial rectus is not shown in this video. The lacrimal gland is there, the other lacrimal gland, and the eyelid again is from the previous part of the video. And then the white tube here coming out the back, the white center with the optic nerve going to the left there,